Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. As you can see, from this menu you can select brightness mode between no light, day, night and custom. If you go back, you can change text size and weight, then you can change display size, sleep timeout between 1 minute and 30 minutes, and screen refresh mode between normal and smart. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.